Hello viewers, this is Ashwar Rafi once again. Welcome to this new video where I'm going to show you how I have saved more than $5 on my most recent domain name purchase. So for a blog site, I had to purchase a domain name about 1 hour ago, and I went to GoDaddy and made the search with this domain. And this is a demo domain though. So I have made the search and I found that the pricing is listed with 12.17 US dollars, and then I thought, why shouldn't I try to another domain service provider to see if I can purchase it with a low rate. So that I went to this website as well, and then I have entered the same URL here to see if it is available and what is the price, and I found that here 12.95, more than this website. And then what I did, I used this link. I'm going to attach this link into the video description for you as well, and then I've just visited the link. Okay, let me show you where it is just going to land us. It is going to land you to Namecheap with the discounted link active, and after that, after coming here on this website, let's just copy this domain from here, and I'm going to show you the difference. Paste it here and then make a search. And after that, you are going to see the pricing. Just take a look, 6.98 US dollars per year. So this is the price, which is about 7 US dollars. So how much you are saving? You are saving more than 5 US dollars comparing these two websites. All right, so I'm going to attach this discounted link into the video description for you, and let's see if you can get this discounted price as well for your .com domain. So that was it, guys. I have used this link and I have purchased the domain. As you can see, it totally costed me 7.16 with the fees, where if we just use this one of these websites, we have to pay like 14.95 US dollars. So more than let's say 7 US dollars actually have saved. So that was the video. I hope I was able to help you with the information when you are actually learning like how to set up blog sites and how to make money with your blog site from my tutorials. I thought this could be helpful for you, and this is the reason why I have shared this video. And if you have found this video helpful and informative, please give this video a like and share this video to your friends as well to help them save some money for them. And I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.